Successful feedback metrics. On the left is a percentage score. 100 is perfect, and 75 is passing. The Adult and Child Ventilation Skills Assessment has two metrics contributing to your score: volume and rate. A green check by the metric confirms that you have met the objective. If you have a perfect score, the box on the right will be green and display "Great job." Unsuccessful feedback metrics. On the left, the percentage score is 0. A red X by the metric confirms that you did not successfully meet the objective. If you have a score from 0 to 99, the box on the right will be red and display the metric that essentially caused you to lose the most points. This is the most effective metric to work on first. Volume is impacted by mask placement, seal, and head tilt chin lift. For more complete assistance, click the card for the Single Rescuer Bag Mask Ventilation video. Rate can be difficult initially, but you can use the 5-second increments on the timeline to help time your ventilations. If you still have difficulty, click the card for the 1 every 6 seconds ventilation timer video. Best of luck on your way to 100%, or at least 75%.